Hey guys, welcome to class today, Math with Miss H. I so appreciate you stopping by. Today we're looking at the order of operation. And by the order of operation, I mean you could be given an expression in class. This is an expression. Remember, we learned earlier a couple of videos back. If there's no equal sign, it's not an equation. So this is simply an expression. Sometimes when you want to solve an expression, it may have multiple operations. There's a divide, there's a multiply, there's a parentheses, there's subtraction. And sometimes students get very confused. Well, which one should I do first? Should I do this? Should I do this? And they get very confused. That's where the formula PEMDAS comes in. So PEMDAS helps you, guides you, and reminds you what order of operation comes first when you're solving an expression with multiple operations. So the P obviously stands for parentheses. So if you're looking at your expression and there's a parentheses, you might want to do that first. If there's an exponent, that would be your next one. If there is a multiplication or multiply, that would come in third. Then divide, add, and subtract. So every time you see an expression, a big long one or a very little one, you always have to remember the rule of PEMDAS and use that formula to help you solve your equation. So let's solve this one together. So again, I said I look at my expression, I run over to my PEMDAS. I ask myself, is there a parentheses in the expression? And there is. Here's one right here. In the parentheses, 5 take away 3. 5 take away 3 is 2. Okay, that always comes first. Then I do my times because there are no exponents, so I wouldn't need to do the exponent. So 5 times 2, the answer is 10. Very easy once you use the formula for PEMDAS. Helps you, guides you, you know what your next move is. Every now and then you can make a mistake if you're doing a multiple choice test and your answer is not there. Just review. Maybe you did a step before that you shouldn't have. Maybe you divided before you multiplied, or you divided before you did the parentheses. Could be somewhere along those lines. All right, let's try another one. Take away 4 times 3. Okay? Again, I run to my formula. I see my expression. P, there are no parentheses. Scratch. Exponents, there are no exponents. Oh, multiply. I do see multiply. So I'm going to multiply these two. 4 times 3 is 12. I bring my 20 down. I have my subtraction. There's nothing else really other than subtraction. So I'm going all the way down. 20 take away 12 equals 8. Simple. Some are more complicated. The expression may be longer, but we're just starting out so you can get a good feel. All right, let's try another one together. 6, my markers are drying up. 6 times 5. Take away 5 times 4. Okay, there are 2 multiplies there. So I would just do them. There's no parentheses. There's no exponents. I should have added one with an exponent. But 6 times 5 is 30. Bring my subtraction down. 4 times 5 is 20. Bring that down. 20 take away 30. 10. So Any expression you get, and teacher says, please solve this expression, what you want to do, you want to run, pull out your formula, PEMDAS, and get as quickly as you can to using it. Let's try one more. Okay, this board is the worst. $15 divided by 3. That's kind of easy. Plus maybe 16 divided by 4. Again, I look at the operation, division, add, division. I go here. Division comes first, and then add. 15 divided by 3 is 5. I'm going to do this division also. 16 divided by 4 is 4. That one was pretty easy. And then add comes after division. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So again, you get a nice expression. It's big, it's long. Could be anything. Use your PEMDAS. Certainly will get you to the right answer. All right, let's do another parentheses. 7 times 3. Parentheses. Or maybe I'll do, sometimes I don't like to use the times. It gets too big maybe. 7 take away 3. And then maybe I'll do the times on the outside. Okay? Again, the parentheses right here happens first. 7 take away 3 would just give me 4. So you got 4 for your parentheses. Then you multiply next because you don't have an exponent. And then 4 times 2 is 8. So I think you got the general gist. Maybe I'll do another video and make it the expressions a little longer, a little more challenging. But at least you got the basics down. And I'll do order of operation 2. I'll kick it up a notch for next time. I don't want the video to be too lengthy. So thank you again for coming to class with Miss H. Math with Miss H. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Tell a friend. Now you know how to do these kinds of problems. And don't forget to like. You guys never give me a like. Thank you so much.